right, so this is continuing our tour of the closed New Jersey Kmarts. This is Parsippany. We were kind of in the area checking out the Cedar Knolls Plaza. We said, hey, let's come check this out. Look at this gigantic, like, Mac Dad Garden Center, right?
Yeah.
It's huge.
Yeah, it is.
All right. Yeah, definitely. No. All right, let's take a look over. This is probably the entrance to the garden center, right? Okay, let's take a look and see. Wow. Yeah, that's all cleared out in there. It's just still a somewhat busy shopping center. You got like a big shop, right?
Yeah.
We'll show that in a second.
If you check out our Blue Star Shopping Center video, there's a big shop right in there.
Come on down. Okay. All right, so looks like we got some fences here, so something's going on. Looks like maybe this is being converted into something, so we'll check it out and see. Oh yeah, it looks like they've already maybe ripped off the facade here. Good thing we got here when we did. It'll be something else before you know it.
Yeah, I think that used to be the entrance.
Yeah, I think they've kind of like ripped off all the front of it here.
Yeah.
Well, this might be cool. We might be able to kind of see a little bit inside here. Yeah, all right, let's check it out. There. You can see in there a little bit. Kind of see what's going on. The whole front is like ripped off. Look at this gigantic dumpster.
Yeah, look at the
Yeah, right. Yeah, look at this whole front. I don't know what this is going to become. Wow, look at all those cinder blocks. This kind of reminds me of when we did the place, the Pathmark that's turning into the Livonia Market. All right, so there you go. That used to be a Kmart. Front is ripped out. It's all gutted.
Yeah.
Do we know, is this a big Kmart or no?
No.
Not a big Kmart.
Yeah.
I mean, relative though, looks pretty big. So you can see they just ripped out the guts.
Yeah, I couldn't take some research because it wasn't showing up on Google.
Okay.
So I couldn't take it.
Yeah, they got this all fenced in here, you know, so.
Yeah.
So here's another angle. You can see that. Yeah, we'll come back around. We'll check out the back a little bit. All right, so we're coming back around here. You can see everything's all fenced in. Everything's all fenced in there. Kind of see, I'll go a little higher up above the fence there so we can kind of see as we walk by. Look at the size of those dumpsters. Those are massive. Can't imagine what it costs nowadays to get a dumpster like that either, with like fuel surcharges and stuff. Not our concern.
Yeah.
Okay, look this.
That used to say pharmacy.
I think you are correct.
Yeah, it did.
Okay, so we're making our way back around the building here. Okay, so we're coming back around here to the garden center. I mean, for a non-super Kmart, this is pretty big. Pharmacy department, garden center. Look, I mean, this garden center is like sort of impressively large. Another shot of that. All right, we'll go around the side a little bit here and see what's up. You can tell they're sort of actively converting this into something. If you know what that's going to be, let us know. Yeah. As far as garden centers go, this is pretty big. What do you think?
Yeah. There's like lots of carts over there. We should go check those out.
Do you think they're Kmart carts?
Maybe.
Okay.
One's a Target cart.
Yeah, it looks like Target carts.
Like one's a Target cart.
Yeah, we'll take a quick look and see.
There's a Staples cart. That's it.
These red ones. I think they're all Target. Salon Centric and Target. All right, coming around here. I don't know what this is. Remnants of a blanket or something. Okay. Oh, look, there you go. It says Kmart. Okay. Something's beeping. Hear that? And I don't know, this says inspector's test. I think it's failing the test right now because it's dripping water. All right, D1, I'm gonna take some footage here.
Yeah, this is the fire exit. No parking anytime back here.
No trash compactor back here. Maybe you think it's around the side. Holy cow. Jackpot. Look at this. This is real urban exploring here now. Okay. Well, yeah. Let's see. Yes. We will do our very best not to drop our phone. Okay, so that's what the inside is looking like right now. Zoom out a little bit too. I zoomed in to see that bird. This is just a big concrete hole. I'm just kind of sticking my phone through there. Check it out. Okay, so you can see they're busy doing demo. Wow, cool. Got the old loading docks over here. Look at this. Yeah, they're hard at work here. You can tell. Okay. Yes, there is a porta potty. Okay. Yeah, we should be able to see in here a little bit. Okay. I feel bad feeling my feet are gonna get wet. Yes, they are. Okay, that's all right. Yeah. No, I meant my feet are in there. My feet are in the water. There's no people in here. Okay. So there you go. That is very much the inside. You can get a real good solid view here. Yeah. Go around this way a little bit for you guys. Always trying to get you the best footage we can. So that's the opening on the front by the fence. Cool, right? Very neat. Doesn't smell like mold in there, like in that food pan. Okay. And my suspicion is these doors must not be secured because they've rigged up like a cart and some, I don't know what. Yeah, I can understand. You don't want people going in there. I will say, however, you know, someone could probably fit through that window there. I bet you someone's been inside there checking it out, but Anyway, all right, so here's the back of the Five Guys, and there's the back of the GNC. This says it's like 6th Avenue. Maybe it was 6th Avenue Electronics. I don't know. Nail place is still in business, and then you're getting into kind of the ShopRite area there. And then back here is this kind of neat like little field and like drainage basin and stuff. This is cool. All right, so we're gonna come back around. Okay, remember I was saying about the trash compactor? I would say this is probably what we're upon right here. Check out this big bucket. I think this is probably part of the trash compactor right here.
The trash compactor got compacted.
Yes, very good. The trash compactor got compacted. Yeah, here's the old loading docks. I don't know. Oh, okay, yeah, little drainage issue over here. I feel like this might very well be my favorite one that we've seen so far.
We're trapped.
How do you figure we're trapped? We just walk right out. Yeah, that's the trash compactor. Cool, right? Okay, I do not think there's anything much more for us to see, but that's really cool. Thanks to some openings, we actually got to see inside the Kmart. Okay, very, very cool there. And you can see that they're busy doing some work here and stuff like that, so.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, all right. Let me climb up there. Try to get some footage over here of the loading dock, because there is like an opening. Cool, right? It's the old Kmart loading dock. Okay. All right. All right, we'll just come around the front and we'll bring it home. All right, guys, this is D1 and D2 signing off from Parsippany K-mart. Like, subscribe, drop a comment. Peace. Okay, yeah, Five Guys permanently closed. That's too bad. If you like a good hamburger, Five Guys is like the place to go. One of them, anyways. Yeah, you can kind of see in there. Wow, that looks like it's like, you know, still pretty much intact. Yeah, Five Guys burgers and fries. Let's take a look. I wonder what happened here. I mean, this looks like a pretty rockin' shopping center. Something else here too. Do we know what this was?
No.
Another like dead mall.
Can't find us.
Interesting. Orange and black. See if we can do some research. If it's a big shop, whatever it was.
Yeah.
Wait, I see something. Oh, that's weird. Is this like a part of ShopRite? Looks like I must see that like a ShopRite sign.
Yes, alright.
Maybe they're just using it for storage or something. That could be too, right? Because it's kind of adjacent. Ah, it says for lease. A lot of space for lease here. Okay. So we'll move on down. Another location closed. Okay, so this was a GNC. I feel like GNCs in general aren't doing great. I mean, I can't remember the last time I set foot in a GNC. You know, everybody's kind of like on Amazon and stuff like that. Okay, looks like this is actually an active nail salon. So, yeah, this is right adjacent to the Parsippany K-mart. You got quite a bit of vacancy going. Let's see if we see any signage. Okay, so there's your GNC sign. I don't know what was on your head. I don't know what was in here. Big space though.
Yes.
Next to the Kmart. Hey, if you know what was in there besides Five Guys, and drop a comment. Let us know.